Hi guys, this is Shruti. This is my new YouTube channel. I have recently started posting on it. Trying to be consistent because why not? And other than that, I have posted a video before this video, how to achieve the perfect base for your makeup. In this video, I'll be continuing the process. I'll be showing you how I'll achieve a perfect makeup look just by applying eye pencils, or you can say eyeliner and lip liner together, and you will see how beautiful it turns out. And yeah, thank you for joining in, and let's start with the video. In the last video, I stopped by doing half side of my face with the concealer. I'll be finishing up the other side and we'll be done with the base. Then we'll be starting up with the other process of the video, like with the other segment of the video. You can do the whole makeup just by using this one product. So let's go. Of course, I love yapping, so I won't shut up. Let's finish the other side of the face. I absolutely love this concealer. Blends in. It's so good. It's so good. I'm done with the other half, and this is how my face looks now after applying the concealer to my full face. So we are going ahead with green. I'm just gonna apply in my waterline first, and then we're gonna move ahead. Okay, I don't know if you can see it, but I love it. I absolutely love it. So I applied it as much as I could. Not disappointing, at least. I think I should go ahead with a little bit of white in the meantime. It looks good to me. I don't know if you can see it properly. It's not that dark. I like it to be a little bit light. It looks absolutely gorgeous to me. So I used these three colors. I'll show you. Green, blue and white. Beautiful. I love it. My hair looks bad because I just took a shower and I did not, style them yet. Coming back to the eyes, I am done with the lining thing. I don't want to apply eyeliner to be specific, but I think we should do that to lift my eyes a little bit. So fine. I can apply better liner, guys. Okay, I'm done applying the eyeliner. It looks fine, not that good. It looks fine. So say bye to the eyeliner and love it. Now I'm just gonna apply my lashes and I'll be right back. So guys, I'm done applying my lashes. They look good to me now. My hair looks chopped, but it's fine. I'll figure it out later. I'll fix it later. So we're done with it and we're just gonna jump right into the next step. I'm going ahead next with the blush. I absolutely love blush. Blush is my bestie. I absolutely love blush. Not a lot though. I just love the right amount of it. This is the exact amount of blush I like. Okay, so we're done with the blush. We're done with the eyes. The next thing that comes next is the lip. So this is how the makeup looks up until now. I absolutely love it. I have fixed the makeup by applying the setting spray. Okay, so I'm done applying my mascara as well. I love how the whole look has started to, set in and looks really good. I am ready to use my favorite lip combo. I have ordered this one more new lipstick from Snapdeal, so I'll show you the shade of it as well in the same video. So let's see. First, I'm gonna outline my lips. Sometimes I love to leave it over here and just apply a lip gloss and we're good to go. But today I'm gonna be showing you this lipstick, this matte mousse lipstick from Mars again. I got this from Snapdeal for a very low price. I'll attach the link to it as well. I absolutely love the texture of it. This is the third lipstick shade that I've gotten from this, and it looks gorgeous. You'll see. It has this whole matte finish to it. Oh my god. Can you see my lips? Oh my god. I absolutely love the texture of it. It looks so good. Okay, so this was the final step. I'm done with my makeup. Should I apply a little bit of gloss to my lips? I think yeah. I'll apply my gloss and we're good to go. Oh my god, I absolutely love how this whole look turned out to be. Just gonna apply my setting spray. It gives you that instant glow makeup finish, and I absolutely love it. We're done with the makeup. See you in the next one.